Namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kruthika and Parvesh Vlog Lifestyle. Before getting into video, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are showing home remedy for congestion cough. 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, small piece of ginger, half lemon. Transfer all these ingredients into the blender. Blend coarsely as shown. Take 1 cup of water and blend it again. After blending with water, it's as shown. Take a strainer and filter it, as shown. Our remedy juice is ready. Squeeze 2 drops of lemon juice in each cup. And mix it well. Now me and my brother are drinking homemade congestion cough juice. Drink this juice with empty stomach. Repeat this for 3 days for effective results.
Thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, comment below.